స్టార్ట్ అయింది. స్టాప్ వీడియోనే.
Yes, good morning, children. Good morning, everyone.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
గుడ్
Good morning. We have your yoga session. Please, okay, please remember this. We have yoga session. Now, ma'am will teach you. Just you have to follow that instructions. Okay, after see, listen, children. Okay, after 9:40, we have parents of not parents, Father's Day celebrations. Again, after that 9:40, one session after meeting. Okay, meeting ended. Again, you have to log in. Understood, children? Again, you have to log in with the same ID.
Not that, not my ID, ma. In the group they have forwarded the another ID, na. So that one you have to join. Yeah, in the group they have forwarded the another ID, na. I'll just send you to your this number page.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Yeah, Swapna teacher is not able to hear your voice. Everyone keep on mute. Everyone keep on mute. All children.
Again, hands to the heart center. Say along with me. Close your eyes. Stay with your body. Inhale deeply. Deep inhale and say Omkara. Inhale deeply. One more time, deep breath. Again. Slowly open your eyes. Hands on your knees. Look forward. We will start with neck exercise. You can do it daily ways because most of the kids are doing with mobile games, everything. So our neck become very weak. So we'll do neck exercise. Sit stable. Don't move your body. Sit stable. Everyone, I am seeing. Okay. Spine straight. Hands on your knees. Inhale, chin up. Look up. Exhale, chin to the collarbone. Collarbone means down. This is your collar and chin to the collarbone. Again, inhale, chin up. Lift it up. Spine should be straight. Don't lift your spine. Don't bend your back. Your spine should be straight. Look up. Everyone, look up. Exhale, slowly drop your chin down. Drop your chin down without bending your spine. Remember, everyone, always your spine should be straight. We are doing only neck exercise. Inhale, look forward. Exhale to your right side. Twist your head to the right. Inhale, look forward. Exhale to your left side. Twist your neck to the left. Only your neck. Inhale, center. Exhale to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale to left side. Inhale, center. Relax. Chin to the collarbone, chin down. Give me rotations. Open your eyes and do rotation slowly. Very slow, you need to rotate your neck. 360 degrees, it should be rotate. Relax your shoulders, don't lift your shoulder. Do it very slow. Because our neck muscles are very weak, don't rotate faster, slow rotations. Yeah, stop and do anti-clockwise. Opposite direction. Left to right. Left to right. Relax. Look forward. We're done with neck. Now we will go with the shoulders. Okay. Hands on your shoulders. Okay. Touch your elbows and lift it up. Take it back. Bring it forward. Lift it up. Take it back. Forward. Give me rotations. 1, 2, and 3. Now opposite. Bring it forward. Take it back and up. Bring it forward. Take it back and up. What happened? Continue, continue. Bring it forward. Take it back. Last one. Relax. Please mute your speaker. Okay. Hands forward. Open your fingers wider and hands should be straight. No bending elbow. Straight hands, strong hands. Open your fingers wider. Now close it tight. Close it tight and open wider. Close it tight and open wider. Close it tight and open wider. Close it tight. Make a fist. Now rotate your wrist. Hand should be straight. Rotate. Opposite. Okay. Now shake your fingers. Loosen up. Loosen up. Yeah. Relax. Don't turn your body. I am turning because you can see me. Okay. Sit in Vajrasana, everyone. Your spine straight. Don't round your back. Spine should be straight. Okay. Hands by side. Now slowly lift your body up. Place your hands back. Push your hip forward. Take your head back. Release your hands. Inhale, come back. Sit in Vajrasana. Okay? Got it? One more time. Now hold your ankles. This is the ankle. Hold it. Hold and push your hip forward. Push your hip forward. Slowly drop it down. Bend forward. Relax in child's pose. Hands by side. Head down. Head down. When you are doing back bends, always you need to bend forward and relax your spine. Bend forward. Slowly come back. Come back. Come up on your hands and knees. Bend forward. Measure your distance. Elbow to your knee. Touch your elbow to your knee and hand straight. This is the measurement alignment. We'll do cat and cow stretches. Okay. Have you ever seen the cow and cat, right? Pull your upper back upward. Chin to the collarbone. Pull your back upward. This is the cat, angry cat. Right? Inhale, take your spine down like a cow. Spine should be curved. Don't move your body forward and backward. We are moving spine upward and downward. Got it? Come on. Inhale, chin up, take your spine down. Exhale, raise your back up. Pull it up. Take your chin down to the collarbone. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, round your back. Pull your back up like an angry cat. Very good. Come on, chin down. Pull your back up. Relax. Go back into Shashankasana. Hands lengthen forward. Go back. Your hip on your heels. Sit on your heels. Go back. Lengthen your spine. Inhale, come forward, Bhujangasana. This is the Bhujangasana. We need to pull your chin up, hand straight, chest forward. Good. Exhale, go back, Shashankasana. Inhale, forward, Bhujangasana. Chin up. Chin, lift it up. Open your shoulders. Good. Exhale, go back. Go back. Inhale, come forward. Last one. Stay there. Come on. Don't drop your elbows. Hands straight. Relax. Slowly come back. Come back. Now stand up, everyone. Stand up. Feet together. Toe to toe, heel to heel. Okay. Hands by side. Inhale, lift your hands up. Slowly come up on your toes. Look forward. Tadasana. It improves your growth. Who want taller? You can do daily base. It will increase your height. Come up on your toes, look forward. Engage your drishti. Drishti means vision. Focus on one point. Come up on your toes, everyone. Raise your heels up. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, come up. Look forward. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, up. Stay there. Slowly drop it down. Now we will do Padahastasana to reach our feet. Hands above your head. Lengthen your spine. Slowly bend forward. Bend forward along with your hands. Reach your feet. Try to reach your feet. Here you feel stretch. It is good stretch. No need to worry. It's not pain. It is stretch. Hold your ankles. Try to take your head down to the knees. Inhale, slowly come back. One more time. Inhale, arms up. Lengthen your spine. Go down for Padahastasana. Reach. Reach. Try to reach. You can bend your elbows. Take your head down. Slowly come back. Inhale, arms up. Now we will learn some more asanas to improve your focus and concentration. Okay? Don't dance. Stable. Stand up, everyone. Now we will do Vrikshasana. It's a tree pose. Take your right feet closer to your thigh area, the joint. To open your knee, don't bring your knee forward, take it sideways. It will increase your focus and concentration. So don't dance. If you are beginner, take the wall support. Place it near to the thigh. Are you able to see me right? First you're stable here, then slowly raise your hands up. Tree pose. Tree resembles stability, right? Come on, try. Very good. Keep going. Stay for 5 count. 5. And breathe. Don't hold your breath. Continue breathing. Hold your asana. 3, 2, 1. Relax. If you try it daily, you practice daily, it will increase concentration, focus, stability. Be careful, be careful. Now change your leg. Take your left leg up. Left leg up. Closer to your thigh. Open your knee. Don't bring your knee forward. Open. Body straight. Take your knee sideways. Now slowly raise your hands above your head. Look forward. Same, engage your focus. Look at one point and stable here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your hands down, release your leg. Okay? Slightly spread your feet, 1 feet distance. Spread your legs, hands by side, hands forward. Slowly twist your body back without twisting your feet. Twist your body back. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale to left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Slowly come to the center. Now we will do Kati Chakrasana. Kati means back. Slightly spread your feet. Place your hands back. Elbows, take it back. Push your hip forward. Bend back. Inhale. Come back. Roll your shoulders one more time. Push your hip forward. Take your body back. Inhale. Come forward. Slightly bend forward. We did back bend. So it's a counter pose. We need to bend forward. To strengthen your back, you need to do daily back bends. You need to do daily base to strengthen your back. Okay. Now we will do Nataraj Asana. This is also improve your concentration and balance. More balancing postures, it will affect to your brain. Hold your right leg. Right leg. Lift it up. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Lengthen. Hold. Take the wall support if you are beginner. But this is also focus on your vision. Vision is important. Focus on one point. మీ ఎదురుగా ఏది ఉందో దాని మీద ఫోకస్ చేయండి. Then you can get the stability. Come on, don't dance, don't dance. Stable, stable. Left leg should be very strong. Good, good. Relax. Now change your leg, opposite. Lift your left leg up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Good, good. Come on. Slow, slow, slow. Don't hurt yourself. Try. Okay. Slowly relax and come back. Come back. Spread your legs 3 feet distance. 3 to 3.5. Okay. Spread your legs 3 to 3.5. Turn your right leg to the forward direction. Forward direction, hands shoulder level. This is Trikonasana to improve your flexibility and side fat. Lengthen, pull your hand forward, not your body, upper body, pull it forward, bend side. Triangle pose. Your body resembles angle, triangle. Slowly, inhale, come back. Now change your foot direction, left one. Lengthen your body, pull your hand left side and slowly go down. Feel the stretch on your side. Triangle. Inhale, come back. Inhale, center. Lengthen your hands. Now slowly go down. Prasharita Padottasana. Try to go down. Good. It improves your blood circulation. Now slowly come back. Feet together. To build your leg stamina, we are doing Utkatasana. It's a chair pose. First look at me. Feet together. Take your hip back. Hands above your head. Feel you're sitting on a chair. Without chair, you're sitting on a chair. It's a Utkatasana. Hold, go down. Hip back, knees back. Don't bring your knees forward. Good, very good. Hands above your head. Take your hip back, very good. Slowly come up. Slowly come up. Okay. Again, feet together. Hands above your head. One more balancing posture, warrior. Lift your right leg up. Got it? Warrior pose. Hands in namaste. Hands in namaste position. Lengthen your hands. Lift your leg up. One leg on the floor, one leg air. This is also improve your focus and concentration. If you practice this, you will get the stamina on your legs. Change your leg. Inhale, lengthen your hands. Slowly take your leg back. Lengthen your hands forward. Slowly come back. Relax. Everybody sit in Sukhasana. Sit down. Sit down. Seated posture. We have that much time. Let's
Ma'am,
wind up.
a small request. Can you continue the session because Zoom app will be go down. Please join once again because we are getting requests from parents to continue the session.
Okay.
Because by 1 minute it will be closing. More 15-20 minutes if you take, it is good for all.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Thank you.
kids are interested. I don't have any problem.
Okay, children, please join again. The Zoom app is going to be end now. Please join once again. Okay.
Okay. Feet together.
Okay, ma'am.
Feet together. We'll do Padahastasana. Lengthen your hands. Lengthen. Bend down. Touch your feet. Go down. Hold your toes. Go down. Inhale. Lengthen.